FleetGuard is a complete anti-collision system, purpose-built around Zadar Labs' zPRIME 4D imaging radar, the same sensor technology used in advanced autonomous vehicles and robotics applications. 6 zPRIME sensors are mounted around the vehicle to create full 360-degree coverage, front, back, and both sides, with a detection range of up to 60 meters. 4 cameras mounted at the top of the vehicle provide visual reference to the operator from every angle. Sensitivity is fully adjustable and can be configured remotely for the best possible operator experience. FleetGuard is currently being tested by experienced operators who took the system through 5 real-world scenarios, the exact situations that cause the most incidents in port operations: front and rear collision detection, side collision awareness in tight lanes, misalignment detection when approaching a container stack, and navigating through dense container rows. Because this isn't a system built for one type of vehicle. It's a universal platform that adapts to any heavy machine, any brand, any make, any environment. Straddle carriers, reach stackers, rubber-tired gantry cranes, ship-to-shore cranes, mining haul trucks, excavators, wheel loaders, bulldozers, forklifts. One modular kit, one software platform, every machine your operation depends on. FleetGuard is built on Zadar Labs' zPRIME, a software-defined 4D imaging radar that sees through rain, dust, fog, and complete darkness. The hardware is built to take a hit in the harshest industrial environments. FleetGuard by Zadar Labs. Field proven. Operator approved. Ready for your fleet.